Suppose anybody has an ID with him when they come to meet us or when we have a meeting and all, we'll have a barcode system at the entrance to register their presence in the meeting, number one. Number two is that everybody has got their unique identity number here. We have a number here, and from here we know from which constituency is he, from which district. That's why we have got something here. So this number is here. So this number which are given is, for example, like we have a car ML04. This means from Giant Hills, and the number here. So we have a number of the constituency number, the district, and his number.
First of all, we are now in the digital world where the world is very small. So as already briefed by Sir, that the Congress, as per the direction from the AICC, we are going digital in case and as far as the primary membership enrollment is concerned. So what we are doing this is because this process, it's very simple as ABC, where every person who wishes to become the member of the Congress party, wherever he sits, in every nook and corner of the state, he can register as a member of the Congress party. And the process of registration is very simple. Like we have developed a chatbot using WhatsApp. So in this chatbot, what happened, we will be giving, or we will be directing all the district of the Congress party to the block Congress also, that to tell everybody, or from our side also, that we have a registration WhatsApp number where any member who wish to become the member of the Congress party can register, even he sits at home or from any far cry of a place wherever he or she is. So the process is very simple. It is like this. We'll be giving a WhatsApp number. The WhatsApp number is very clearly shown here. It is, you can note it down. It is 9077909175. So this number, a member need to store in a phone, and the moment he started, he can say Kumno, or he can say hi, hello. Then the system automatically will send a welcome message. The first one is to enter the name, your name. Suppose your name is XYZ. Then after that, it will ask you the voter ID, because everyone who is a valid voter, you'll be having a voter ID. He need to enter on the second stage. Then after that, then he needs to send a photo that is there. He needs to click a photo that is available in a voter ID and send it in the WhatsApp number. Then the fourth part is he need to take a selfie of his own and then send it. By the time, then the message from the chatbot will say thank you. We are grateful that in a short while we will verify the details. See, from the backend team, we'll be having a team where it verifies your name, your voter photo, and then your voter ID also. In case if everything is perfect from the back end, there is no mismatch at all, then what happened? Then automatically from the back end, we will share you your digital ID. Now, in case if there is an issue, suppose there is a mismatch of a name, okay, or in case there is a mismatch of voter ID, then what happened from the back-end team, after understanding that there is something wrong, then the back-end team will call the person concerned who has sent the message. Then we'll ask him the detail, like, okay, this is your name as per your voter ID, then please check your voter ID card. Then after that, your selfie also along with the voter photo ID. When it is done, everything is done, then within a short time from the back end, we will share you the digital ID card. So this is very simple. Hardly it takes, as Sir already said, it hardly takes half a minute just to fill up those things. Okay, but maybe from the back end, maybe it takes a little time because you have to do a recheck properly so that there will be no misuse of the membership as far as the party is concerned. And apart from that, every member is eligible to register only from one WhatsApp number. No members can register, or no other members can register from the same WhatsApp number. This is very important, because we have built up the system so that there will be no misuse of the membership enrollment as far as we are concerned.